So, hello traders. Hi there. Welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show. Today I'm going to be going through 10 pairs, main currency pairs that I look at, and show some setups for the next, for today and next couple of bars on the 4-hour chart. So let me share my screen. There we go. All right. Anyone on live that has questions, please put them in the chat box, and I will check on them as I go. So the first currency pair that I'm looking at is Euro USD on the 4-hourly chart. So with this currency pair, I'm looking for a short at the moment. So on the 4-hourly, I'm looking for a setup in that entry area around here. If I could get something a little bit higher would be better, but anything in this area is looking like it would be a good setup for a short at this stage. Next currency pair is Euro JPY. So with this currency pair, I'm looking at the moment, still looking at a long position on this one. So any sort of strong reversal in this area, I would be looking to go long at this stage. Next currency pair is Euro AUD. So on this pair, I am looking for a short still at the moment until proven otherwise. So if there is a bit of sideways movement and a reversal to go short, I would do that. Otherwise, I would wait for a couple of closes above the line and then retracement. But at the moment, I'm still looking short on that one. The next currency pair is Gbp Jpy. So on this, it's gone up quite a bit. Had a little bit of a pullback. We're still looking at a long on this one. So if there are any good setups in this area, I would look for a long until some closes below there. Next currency pair is Gbp Usd. So on this one, in terms of direction, I'm looking for a short. And in terms of the entry setup, I'm looking for the price to come back to this trend line, somewhere in this sort of area here. And then looking for price action in the downward direction for a short. Next currency pair is USD Cad. So with this currency, I'm still looking for a short if the price comes back up to this trend line. Just being mindful of this horizontal level at the moment, where we had a number of bullish engulfing turnarounds there. So possibly just being a bit more cautious around this trade here. Possibly waiting until to see what's going to happen. But at the moment, that's what it is for me. USD JPY. So this one is still going in the upward direction, the sideways movement here. And let's see what happens from there. In terms of the entry would have to be a strong reversal around this area but possibly might go below. So we just need to see what happens there. A bit of indecision at the moment. Next currency pair is Aud USD. So on this one, I'm currently looking for short, but yeah, there's a little bit of sideways movement, so it's still not quite clear. But if the price would come back to the trend line, I would be looking for a short then. The next currency pair is Euro GBP. So in terms of direction, possibly looking at a reversal just around the last couple of bars. So probably looking in, if it's going to reverse to go in the upward direction, I would need to see the price come back to this level and then reverse up. So if it goes a bit further up, that'll be great before coming down. But entry would be around this sort of area here. And that might take a while to set up for that one. Gbp Cad, next currency pair. So in terms of direction, looking for a short. And on the 4-hourly time frame, in terms of the entry, would be just somewhere around that trend line. If we could get a couple of more bars going a bit further up in line with that top, that'll be great. And then would be looking for a short then. So that is the analysis for today. Let me know in the chat box if you have any questions. I will have a look. If not, I will post a link to the Telegram group. You can still join free this month for a month. After that, it'll be a paid service. Okay, question. Go back to enter. Okay, yes, preference is not to chase, yes, the breakout, but to wait for the pullback to enter. Yes, yep, that would be my preference, because once it pulls back, it's got a higher probability of being a profitable trade. So that's my preference. That's how I trade, yes. What do you think of New Zealand JPY? I don't do any others, sorry, just the ones that I'm doing here. Those are my favorites, top 10. All right. So if you would like to join again, I will be live again with the Simple Forex Setup show tomorrow, which is Wednesday at 9 a.m. Singapore time. And so I look forward to seeing you there. If you want to follow along in terms of the trade setups and any trade management, then join the group, the Telegram channel, and I've just popped the link into the chat box. All right. All the best with trading. Bye for now.